In this tutorial, we will see that how you can backup Google Photos to external hard drive in just few steps. So let's dive right in. For the first step, from your PC, insert your hard drive. Here it is, open it, right click on that, hover at new and create a new folder here. Rename it to backup Google Photos. And now for the second step, open Google and search for Google Photos. Open your Google Photos in your browser. And here are some of photos. And now, to backup these Google Photos to our external hard drive, what we can do is open new tab and search for Google Takeout. Sign in with your account and it will take you to this page here. It will show you 67 of 69 selected. Click on this selected all and now press Ctrl G from your keyboard. It will show you this search bar where you have to search for photos. After searching for it, scroll it down until you get this Google Photos. Check it and scroll it down. Click next step and from here you can choose file type, frequency and destination. Remain it as it is. Scroll it down. From here you can choose your file size. I'm selecting here 2 GB. You can choose according to your file size. Scroll it down and select create export. Then at last you will see this export progress. This process can take a long time, hours or days to complete, and you will receive an email when your export is done. After some hours, you will get this email from Google Takeout. If you open it, you will see here download your files. If you click on it, it will take you to this new page here where you will get this notification to start download. After download, open up your downloads and right click on that folder. Click copy and open your external hard drive. Open that created folder. Right click and paste it here. So that's how you can backup Google Photos to external hard drive in just few steps.